Hello guys, welcome to PAL. Today we're gonna talking about the exam math tips you need to know to get an A or A star. The first trick is starting earlier. Please don't wait until the last minute to start studying for your IGCSE exam or A-level exams. Number two, create a study schedule. This one is very important thing because it will make more study efficiency. So this is a plan, right? So the plan will tell you this is a list to do, right? The plan will tell you, okay, what is a next step that you need to do or which the next topic that you need to revise more. So, and please stick to it as closely as possible. Number three, practice with the math past paper. This one is also very important things because you will know the pattern of the questions. It will help you it will make you have more self-confidence to do the test. And you need to make sure when you do the test, this is on time. And number four, understand the question. Understand the question that I mean is you need to understand what the question asks, what the informations they give. This one, sometimes you need to analyze the questions, especially in the A-level math. Number five, make sure in formula and units. So the formula is very important in math. You need to know what the formula, you need to know how to use that formula. Because sometimes in IGCSE they didn't give you any formula, right? So you need to remember a lot of formulas. So you need to know how to use each formula and about the unit. For example, sometimes in the past paper or in the exam, they ask you to find the side of the angle, right? So the side of the angle, when you answer, we have two systems, right? In degree or radians, right? Degree or radians, right? And number five, make sure in formula and units. So they have a lot of formula to memorize, right? In both of the A levels and the IGCSE math, right? So this one is the very important thing because you need to know which formula we need to solve in that questions. Or another important thing is you need to know how to use that formula. Number two is a unit. So, for example, question is when they're talking about to find the side of the angle. So, if you want to find the side of the angle, we have two system units of the angle that we can answer, right? The first one is degree, and the second one is radius, right? So you need to make sure with the questions what the units that they want you to answer. Be careful about this and be careful when you use calculator to find the answer. And the last one is very important thing, is super important thing is get a lot of rest. And today I have the example IGCSE exams questions for you. Okay, look, this one. Get a graph for y equal to sine x4. The value of x is between 0 degree to 360 degree. That's why this one is a good example that I told you. Be careful for the units. This one is the units that they asked me to find is in degree. Okay, the first one we start to sketch the graph. So sine graph we start with 0, right? 90, 180. 270. So the graph sign is 0 when and this. Oh, sorry. This, and this. So this is y equal to sine x. And next, solve equation 3 sine x plus 1 equal to 0. If they ask you to solve, that means they ask you to find the sides of angle. Find the possible value of x, right? Because x is the side of the angle. Okay, we solve this equation. So 3, we start with the question plus 1 equal to 0. And 3 sine x equal to minus 1. sine x equal to minus 1 over 3, right? And x equal to arc sine minus 1 over 3. So arc sine of minus 1 over 3 is x equal to minus 19.47. But this is not the answer, right? Because your answer should be it's between 0 and 360, right? So it cannot possible to be negative, right? So what is the answer for this? So the answer is, okay, the first one, right? The first x is x. So x equal to 180 minus with minus 19.47, right? So it's be 180 plus with 19.47. So the answer is 199.47. 199.47. And number 2, if 360 subtract with 19.47, right? 360 subtract with 19.47. So the answer is 340.53. This is the two possible answer of x. So why? Why? Okay. Okay, if you want to get more informations about this one, like you can learn in like the trigonometry topic. But I can revise it again. So look at it. 1 minus 1 over 8 minus 1 over 3, it's around 0.033, right? Look. So your answer is between 180 to 270. And the next answer is between 270 to 360. So that's why you got the answer is 199.47 and 340.53. And thank you for watching and see you on next video. Bye bye.